Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in Messages, it doesn't really matter. And now let's tap on the settings icon. Now let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've got the list of all languages from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example, maybe Arabic. Let's tap on the region if you have some choices, and as you can see here we've got the keyboard types, so of course choose the one you like the most and tap on Done. As you can see, our newly added language simply appears on our list. So now let's get back to the keyboard. And as you can see here we've got some changes. First of all, we've got the new icon, globe icon, and on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now I am typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it again, and again we are typing English. So actually that's all. This is how to add a keyboard language to your keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it. So let's tap on the settings, tap on languages and click on this edit icon. Now let's tap on the one you want to remove and click on trash bin icon. As you can see, it immediately disappears. Let's get back to the keyboard. And here we've got some changes. We cannot see the globe icon, and also the spacebar is empty, so it means that we can only type in English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.